hitting the road on the 12th day. Medyo slow pace run lang kasi kahapon masakit ang aking ankle. So ngayon, nice easy jog. Walang persahan. Easy lang. Sarap ng tama ng araw. It's nice to run in the afternoon. You can build your strength, your stamina, at mas masarap yung hangin. Ewan ko. Saka mas meron ka ng energy. The whole day, nakapag-workout ka na. Ako, I did my workout mga 1 hour prior to this run. Tapos, syempre, gawain bahay. So, yan. It's nice to run, man. Easy walk lang, ha? Walk, jog. Huwag masyado mabilis. Diba? Set the pace. Swing. Diba? Swing mo yung shoulder, arm. Diba? It's nice. Siyempre dapat inhale, exhale. Diba? Deep breath. Exhale. Slowly. Diba? Lalay lang. Wala namang kalaban eh. Diba? Just you and the road. Tara, dudes. Whew. Steady pace lang. Pawis. Labas ang mga toxic. Diba? Man, it's nice. Yeah, 12 days. No serious injury, knock on wood, diba? Listen to your body. Pag may masakit, tigil, diba? Pag may hingal, tigil. But for now, I will keep this pace. Steady lang. Diba? Steady jog. No sprint muna. Diba? See you on the road, guys. Bye.